Today we're going to make Thanksgiving in April. I brought with me mashed potatoes, gravy, turkey, and tortilla shells. Now, it's a roll-up turkey dinner, just like the roll-up sandwiches you find in Safeway. Now, if the zombie apocalypse happened, we'd have to stay here a couple of days. So I do have some extra food. We got some chili, tuna, some bacon bits, and some crackers. Now, we're going to be burning in my stove today, the new Inferno stove. Different than the gas, you know, it's got the gel for the fuel. Today, we're only going to need salt and pepper, and of course, my Kerrygold butter. Let's roll it up, see what it looks like. Okay, so I have my water, about 100 milliliters of water in my stove. Got the fire going. We're going to be making the gravy first. And then instead of using milk for the mashed potatoes, we're going to use the gravy. And so it's all going to kind of congeal into one solid mass, and that way it won't leak out everywhere when we roll up the sandwich. Now I have my fork and spoon that I picked up from Daiso. I love these things. If you ever been to a Daiso, you got to go. It's like the dollar store with Japanese products. And these are interchangeable forks and spoons, which you can turn into chopsticks. Really like them a lot. Alright, so let's wait to get this water boiling, and we'll get the gravy powder in. Alright, so we got our gravy in there, heating up. We've added about 3 tablespoons of butter. And we're just kind of waiting for it to thicken up. Now this is a garlic butter. So these are going to be extra garlic mashed potatoes. And it's starting to thick up here. This stove works pretty fast.
Unfortunately, my camera ran out of battery power, so we're missing me pouring in the mashed potatoes.
Okay, so our mashed potatoes are done. I'm going to set them over here, give them a taste. Oh, they are so good. Let's get this thing rolled up. So, we're going to take our tortilla shell, set her down. We get our mashed potatoes. We're going to spread them out everywhere. Now don't forget, we already have the gravy in there. We got to get a little here on the lip so it'll hold. Over there. All right. Grab our turkey. Put 2 big pieces right there. Add 1 more, why not? Take a little salt. I'm going to grab a couple of peppercorns here. Grab the knife, crush them. A little windy out today. Got a little pepper. Alright, now, just like when you roll up your sandwich, just kind of roll it up there. There we go. We're going to take our knife down the middle. Now you got to make these extra thick, otherwise they'll kind of fall apart here. And here we go. Put them up. All right. I always love the ends. We'll eat that first. So good. Alright, so that's how you make Thanksgiving in April. Now these were super garlicky, garlic mashed potatoes and garlic butter, but super tasty. This style of roll-ups, sandwich roll-up, you can put anything in it. So leave a comment below and let me know what you've made in the past. Alright, so until next time, Appreciate you stopping by. Like and subscribe, and we will see you next episode.